first of all, good evening.
Good evening, good evening. How are you, ma'am?
I'm doing great. Thank you for asking me. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also doing great, and nowadays I'm focusing on English communication skill, how to
Okay.
interact with someone. Yeah, that.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. So we are here. We are meeting for the first time. So would you like to introduce yourself?
yeah. Why not? My name is Shailesh Devar, and I am from Balrampur, UP.
Hmm.
And if I talk about my graduation, I am completed my BTech in 2021 from mechanical engineering. And after that, I'm done 10-month internship in ISA Tractor Limited. And after I'm currently working as a quality engineer in a steel plant. Yeah, my company name is MNS India. Yeah, and if I talk about my hobbies is basically that reading books, listening audiobooks someday, and plan my to-do list of work activity. That's all about me. Yeah, thank you.
Oh, wonderful. Wonderful. Hmm.
And yeah, I say I want to connect with you because of I want to know how to improve your English communication. So can you give some tips and tricks? How can we improve my English communication?
Okay, why not? Whatever knowledge I have, I will definitely share with you.
Yeah,
So you know that.
actually, I also do some practices. I like that. Actually, I listen a lot, approx 1 hour, 1 hour plus.
Hmm.
And with listening, I do shadowing practice, imitation. I like that. And
Hmm.
after that, I allowed one extra hour for speaking. Speaking means
Okay.
firstly I choose the one topic and be prepared approx 10 to 12 minutes and read two times, and after that I record my video in front of my camera. And third step is I follow it. Basically, I will talk with some of my friends who want to improve your English communication. That's and sometime I read some book for my improving English. Yeah.
Oh, so you're also on the right track. You are doing all things. Maybe you are putting your heart and soul in order to enhance your communication. I guess you are reading, you are writing, you are listening, and you are talking with your friend. So you're also on the right path, I guess.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, that's a good
Mm.
thing because actually before 20 days before I started English learning journey,
Okay.
and I will improve lots do my hard work. Yeah, but
Mm.
now need a more improvement in myself. Yeah, I think that.
Okay. Within a 20 days, if you are in this level, so yeah, you are a super. You are
Yes,
maybe determined towards learning, I guess.
yes,
Yeah.
yes.
And
That time I'm not free due to actually I'm come in my native village due to some farmer work, some issues, some network issues. Maybe, but I listen a lot because I record my video in night, and
okay.
after in a day I will watch my recording and then I will practice. Yeah.
Okay. And do you use any platform for speaking purpose? Because now in this era, we are blessed, we are in this era, so we have a lot of platform where we can talk to so many co-learners. So do you use any platform?
Yeah, actually CB app actually sometime I use, and after that, but sometime I use the Joe and
Okay.
nowadays I'm only use the Skype app for connecting some another native person
Co-learners.
wants co-learners where we are connected face to face and discuss idea and discussion about how can you improve. Yeah,
Hmm. So when did you
yeah.
start using Skype?
Skype approx 10 to 12 days before. Yeah.
Recently.
Yeah, recently I said that. Yeah, recently.
And before that, you said that you were practicing with your like a colleagues. So maybe you
Yeah,
have environment.
yeah. Actually, I have created one group for 10 to 12 people, and where we connect with voice chat, where we
Okay.
connect and discuss some point, introduction, this type of what are you doing tomorrow, this. Yeah.
Regarding your professional life, I guess, where you are talking.
Not a professional, it's like the different people are connected with me for speaking
Okay.
practice, not for my professional work. Actually, I'm working in company, but nowadays I'm only focusing on my English communication.
Mm.
And in my company, I think that English communication is basically requirement in all sector. for your
Of
growing your
course.
career in professional career. Yeah, it's not like that in IT, in mechanical. All sector are need a good communication skill. Yeah,
I agree. I agree. You are absolutely right, 110%. Nowadays, this language play very crucial role in our
yeah,
life.
vital
You
role. Yeah,
know very well
yes,
how to speak, how to communicate with learners, with strangers. So this language will add value in your life. I
yeah,
believe that, and I have seen around
yeah.
in my society. Yeah, this
Yes.
language is very,
Actually,
very important.
I started learning of this language because of I'm hesitate in front of talking with someone with the
Mm.
interview or some my boss, senior manager, GM level who speak. If you give some anything, any tips for improving English, then it's good for me. I apply and enjoy my
I
my
have
journey.
already mentioned that you are also already on the right track. Even though I have been learning this language, it has been approx 1 year, I guess. And I took some
Yeah,
classes, I talked with learners and tutored too. And most of the tutors suggested to me, Ruby, you have to practice with learners. You should try to shadowing method, and you should try to record your videos, and you are doing all things at the same time. So I think you know that you know the path, and nowadays you are also already just running towards. Yes, so try to be consistent. Yeah, so you
yeah.
can
Main
easily reach to
thing is
your goals.
consistency.
Hmm.
Yes, yes, yes.
Consistency. Yeah, if
Yes.
you will lose your consistency, then I don't think so. If you're determined, so you will definitely reach the level. Hmm.
Yes, yes. Yeah,
Try to
I
be
think that.
consistent every day. Try to
Yes, yes.
talk to learners and try to just watching good content. Now we
In
are blessed.
English.
We have a lot of, I mean, we have a YouTube is like a university. You can watch
Yeah.
any videos regarding your interest, regarding your genre. There are bunch of videos, like thousands and millions, trillions. So you can watch according to your interest.
You can anything search and watch, yeah, as per your need in YouTube. YouTube is a very
Mm.
good platform for learning purpose. If you use in a best way, then it's a very
Mm.
good software and technology
You can
for
change your life with the help of YouTube. I have seen really great people. Like there is a famous learner. You know about Dihati ma'am? Maybe you know that.
yeah, I know the
Hmm.
Dihati ma'am. I watch some video of Dihati ma'am, and
Hmm.
I also watch your video with Ram sir. Yeah, you know the
Yes, yes,
Ramchandran.
I know Ram.
I also watch your video. Yeah, I watched 2 times your video.
Okay, okay,
Yeah,
with
you very
Ram.
correct.
You are asking something.
Yeah, and what we do for your confidence, ma'am, for while speaking English.
Okay, like if you are asking about this question, so I try to motivate myself, like self-motivated. Yes, because not possible every time, like be confident. Now I'm talking to you, but in my mind something is running. Yeah, what should I ask?
Hello.
What should I discuss with him? But I try to motivate myself. No, you have to talk with that person. Otherwise, how it's possible you can see some improvement. So you should stick here and you should talk with learners. There is no other alternative. If you want to learn this language, so you have to stick here. You have to talk to strangers. Otherwise, it is next to impossible. So that's why, and there is no other formula, I guess. Try to push your boundaries. Then you can see some result. If you are living, no one is perfect, none of us. So whatever we have, a little bit of knowledge, try to go with your knowledge.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, but always
And
try to learn.
uh,
Learning attitude.
yes,
Don't give up. Yeah,
yes.
every day.
That's a good.
Try to learn single words, single sentences. Some people say that, like a few days back, I had a conversation with a learner, and he was saying that every day I learn 4 to 5 vocabularies, 10 vocabularies, but I am unable to use those vocabulary while communication. So I just suggest him, don't emphasize your mind. Okay, don't take a burden.
Mm.
Try to learn one vocabulary, but you should do try to use the same vocabulary while communication. Then your
Yeah,
mind will be used to. Otherwise, it's like, what are you doing? You are learning 10 words, 20 vocabulary in a day, but at the same time you are not using, so it's a worthless. So
not possible. Your mind will
whatever we are learning,
remember
we should
it.
try
Yeah.
to use. Hmm. So there is a
Yes.
famous quote. like we are learning just for sake of learning. If we are not implementing that thing, so it's a worthless.
No problem. No
Hmm.
use of your knowledge.
Yeah,
Yeah, if you not
we are
implement.
learning
Yeah.
just for sake of learning, and you are not
Mm,
applying. So maybe you are
yeah.
making, you are trying to fool of yourself. So we shouldn't do this. Hmm.
Yeah. I asked you, are you watch any cartoon video, English cartoon? Yeah, some story movie type. A movie
I
and English movie and so are helpful for improving English language. Yeah, I think that.
I don't watch movie, but I watch some conversational videos. Okay,
Yeah.
like if I watch conversational videos, there is two benefit. First,
Yes. Yes.
I can learn a lot of things regarding how I can build my conversation, because now I'm talking with you, and sometimes my mind just go blank. Okay, my mind goes blank. So that's why I watch some videos regarding how I can build my conversation. And there's a two like a really famous YouTuber. I can say my favorite YouTubers and learners, and like the name Try to Thrive. Okay, first Try
Right.
to Thrive, Rajni Verma.
Yeah, I know the Rajni ma'am.
Yeah, and second one Rini Rose Matthew and
Rimi?
Santa. Rini Rose
Yes.
Matthew, or English with Santa. I follow these three channels.
Yeah, I know the English with Santa ma'am. Yeah.
Hmm. Yes. And sometimes I watch, there is a like a it's a cartoon video based on Sudhamurti's story. Sudhamurti Media. The channel name is Murti Media. Sometimes I watch because
Yeah,
I
yeah.
love Sudhamurti. She is a phenomenal person. She is one of my
Yeah,
favorite.
I already fan of this woman personality. Yeah, I learned a lot
Yes.
because he know the everything. He deal with every situation. I know that. Yeah, actually, I watch a
Yes.
biography. Yeah, sometime in YouTube. Very good lady.
Hmm.
I really respect you. Yeah, yeah,
Yes. You same. Nowadays,
yeah.
I love reading books. I have already mentioned that. So these days, I read that book called Wise and Otherwise. Yeah, this is a really good. It's a based on short story, like non-fiction. This book based on non-fiction and short
What the
stories available.
what the book name? Yeah, if you
The book name is Wise and Otherwise.
wise and otherwise. Okay.
It's a first book written by Sudha Murthy. First book. So here I want to ask you one thing. So which kind of person are you? If I am asking to you, you have to describe your personality in 2 to 3 words. So how would you like to describe?
Yeah, I'm actually some disciplined type person. I wake up in early in the morning and do some spiritual things in my starting of day in the starting of day in the morning time and do some
Okay.
yoga exercise, yeah, sometime, and try to make my whole day's activity. I wrote down my all activity, yeah, important tasks, important work, anything I'm go, then I will write my diary, and before I sleep I write my journals, what I
Okay,
do
so
and what
cool.
I will do next time. Yeah.
So you are a disciplined person.
Yeah, I think that.
You are managing your to-do list every day.
Yeah, I write my to-do list approx three most important work and five important work. Yeah, what I will
Oh,
I
that's
try
great.
to I try to complete all these tasks, but sometime is missing one two tasks. But next time I will do same. Yeah.
But that is a good thing. If you are used to of just like journaling or writing, I have
Yes, yes.
noticed this quality in great.
Actually, my company provide the some training program. Then
Okay.
I write down the my today meeting, which time and what the topic of meeting and what the agenda of meeting. I
Hmm.
tried it, and I will not skip my work. Yeah, this is
Okay.
the
You
recall,
are
and
stick with
also
your
I do the
to-do
yeah
list.
yeah. I also do one thing is set alarm for a particular time. Then I not skip my mind. Yeah.
Okay. You are using technology too.
Yeah, I also use it. And
Mm.
sometimes I use the Microsoft one note app where I can make the to-do list of my activity. Yeah.
Okay.
If I
Okay.
just I think that I think today I explained that I will connect in 5 o'clock. Then I will fix the alarm for 5. Then I usually remind, yeah, today in my
Yeah, that
session with
time. When I was
that.
messaging you, that time I was outside. I was maybe in the market. I went market with my brother. That's I thought that I should connect or not. And then you said that we will connect at 5. So I said, okay, I have time
Yeah, I think that
because
I
I have something in my mind. Like there is a quote. There is a famous quote. 2 days back I read it. The quote is like a silent is golden. Have you heard about this quote?
yeah, I think I listen one with this quote, but I don't remember son I Krishna. But silent.
So try to elaborate. Whatever occurring in your mind, try to elaborate after hearing
It
this
is
word.
in. I think that the meaning of this quote is if you any difficult situation, then you that time you your mind and body are calm and silent on that time, and after that you answer in any way. Yeah, it's been
Hmm.
difficult time, difficult something. Then you calm your mind and peacefully take any decision
Hmm.
and not much speak in front of people. Yeah, I think that yeah maybe I'm correct or
Yeah, we
not.
should. Yes, yes. If we
Yeah,
are
if you
in any
yeah
problem, so we shouldn't take
uh,
any decision at the
yeah quick
same
decision.
time.
Yes, I think that yeah
Hmm.
don't take quick decision for
Hmm.
yeah I think that yes
Otherwise, you will face some consequences. But then try to take pause, like
yeah.
1 day or 1 second. Yeah, we should do most of the
Think
time.
about the decision then you will take yeah
Hmm.
yes
And try
yes
to do retrospection first. Should I speak or not? If I will speak, so which kind of consequences I will face? Like every aspect. Hmm.
yeah means manifestation of your work. Yeah, I think that
Mind
about the
and work,
process.
everything.
Yeah. Okay, thank you for session. Yeah.